Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to color correct your display settings on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher menu and search for settings. Best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, scroll down and you want to select accessibility. And then on the right side, you want to select the display and magnification. Should be something that says color correction. Adjust how colors display on your screen. Toggle that on or off depending on your preference. And then you can adjust the intensity of those colors by dragging the scroll bar to the left or right. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.